guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel The Astro. So in this Python tutorial we are going to learn about string manipulation. So basically we are going to learn three things, like suppose you have a set of characters or a string, then how you can convert your lowercase to your uppercase into a string, and vice versa, say uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. And you can also like capitalize your first character of your string. So let's do it. Okay, so for that just define your text and give it a like, say he eats Python. Now you want to capitalize H here as a capital letter. So for that just type command text dot capitalize and give function and run it. Okay, so you can see that here your word has been capitalized. I mean the first character has been capitalized. So this way you can also take your I eat Python, and then you can see that your word has been capitalized. So this is like one thing you can do. Now suppose I want to convert our all uppercase to lowercase. So your text is like in your uppercase. Now I'm going to convert to lowercase. So for that type command text dot lower and give function and run it. Okay. So here you can see that your all characters of this string has become into lower. You can also give your Python editor, run it. So this way you can convert your all character to your lower cases. Now just do reverse of the above one. So just type here text and give all in the lowercase. So I love and hate Python. So here is your text. So it is in all lowercase. Now you want to convert it to uppercase. So for that just type text dot upper, give function and run it. Okay, so here you can see that your all text of this lowercase has been converted into uppercase. So I hope you got the idea that how to convert your upper cases to lower cases.